first few days we spent relaxing, settling in. Then came the fun part. We were met by bad news when we got to the yacht. Strong winds, a mistral, were forecast to bother us for the week. Luckily for us, it turned out that night was as bad as it got. We spent the week first sailing south from Portisco, and then going up north to explore the area around Isola Maddalena. After handing the yacht back, we drove south to Arbatax, where we were staying at a hotel for the rest of our holiday.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late, things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching